Video we're going to show you how to remove the speedometer cluster from Toyota Camry 2018, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is just a Phillips screwdriver and this yellow dashboard removal tool. We already made everything loose. By the way, this is just for the demonstration only. The first step, you pop up this bezel around the radio and the dashboard. Just pops out, does not have any screws, it just pop out, and then you pop up this bezel around the speedometer cluster. These are the pins which connects them. And now you pop this side panel on the driver's side for the dashboard. And now you drop this the cover under the cluster, and then you do the same thing for the passenger side. On the passenger side, we do the same thing. Just pop the ignition switch. There are two screws which are holding the cluster in place. Is the plastic screws with the pin. Basically you unscrew it and then you pull it down, and once you do that, these two, and then you lift up this cover for the steering column, and now you can remove the whole cluster assembly and just pull it forward. I mean, actually just the bezel, not the cluster, just the bezel only. And once you get the bezel out, then you will be able to see the mounting screws which is holding the cluster in place. There are three screws which are holding the cluster in place. There's one on the top and then two on the bottom. And once you get these three screws out, then you can pull this the speedometer cluster forward. And it has only two connectors, which you need to if you just press the clip, and then you can just remove the connectors. And if you need any repair for this cluster, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.